Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change delivery zone in Skip the Daishes. Alright, so let's begin. You will be able to modify your zones at any time. You can add or remove zones as necessary as long as you have the latest version of the delivery app for Skip the Daishes. When you open it up, you should be able to see the map and your availability. You have two options to change your zones. You can either access the help center that you can find on the main page at the top right corner of the screen. For the availability, you will be able to find the scheduling screen and eventually update delivery zones as I've highlighted here. When you tap Update Delivery Zones, you will be immediately redirected to the map where you can choose the specific zones that you would like to add or remove. I blurred the map as you can see on the screenshot, but all you have to do is select the regions on your own map and then save the changes at the bottom. Every time you tap on a zone, it is going to tell you if you want to toggle that zone on or off. Just select the zones that you want to enable or disable and you're good to go. Save the options with the button at the bottom of your screen. As soon as the zones are saved, they will reflect on your availability when you go back to the delivery screen, and the zones that you excluded will not appear anymore. You can do this process at any time with as many zones as you wish. Just make sure that you do it and save the changes after you are done selecting the zones. Like I said, you can either do it through the Help Center and go into Update Delivery Zones, or go to the Availability tab, Scheduling screen, and then at the top right corner, Update Delivery Zones inside of the settings. Regardless of which option you pick, the changes will be reflected immediately on the Skip the Daishes Courier app. So that's basically how you can change delivery zone in Skip the Daishes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.